I've never used this before, so let's give it a go. I'm on bandlab.com/song starter. It's AI generated music, so you could use it for whatever you want. There shouldn't be any copyright to it. So there's two ways of doing it. You can pick a genre here, or you can enter a lyric. I'm just going to click on ambient and see what it does. This should create a randomly generated ambient song. Okay, cool. So you can change kind of like the mood and how dark it sounds based on this time of day icon here. So that's a nighttime version of the song. It gives me 3 versions of the song as well. Okay, let's say I like that. I can now edit in Studio, which will open up BandLab Studio, which I did do a video about a long time ago. It's just a basic DAW that runs in Chrome. You got your play, back, loop, record buttons up here, tempo. You got your mute, your solo for all your various tracks, and over here we can see time. So at the moment this song's 48 seconds long, and yeah, let's have a listen. Nice. If I wanted to change the effects on that melody, I could click on Effects Custom. There's a bit of reverb on there. I could record vocals on here if I wanted to, and then when I'm done, I can press save. Saved projects. If I click on this one here, I should then be able to download it. Download or download stems. There we are. And then you can use it however you like. I think this is pretty cool. You can create music which you can then use for, I don't know, adverts or commercial parts, or just phone hold music, which is unique. Or you can use it as a way to create an idea, perhaps. I don't know. I don't give it a lot of value in terms of this is going to be the next hit, but our lives are always filled with, jingles and songs that are in the background. So you could use this as a way of starting up an idea. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments.